What's good, YouTube? It's Darren, the Bowtie Fragrance Guy. We talk about fragrances and fashion on this channel. So if looking good and smelling great, both of those things matter to you, you might find some value in this channel. I recommend or suggest or offer you the opportunity to hit the subscribe button and also make sure you hit the bell icon as well to ensure when I upload new content on the channel, you get notified. So guys, on today's video, I'm going to be talking about something a little bit different. First of all, I hope you guys enjoyed your Thanksgiving holiday. I certainly enjoyed mine up until about 4:30 or so yesterday. There was some game on television and I don't want to talk about it anymore for the rest of my life. Kind of put a damper on the Thanksgiving holiday, but I still have a lot to be thankful for, especially my family, friends, life, health, strength, and also you guys, my subscribers. So thank you very much for riding with me so far. Regardless of you subscribed to my channel for the last 5 minutes or the last 2 or 3 years, I sincerely appreciate you. But guys, on today's video, we're going to be talking about something a little bit different. Now, I love everything that is fragrance related. So not only do I like for myself, my body to smell good, I like for my house, my car, and everything else that's associated with me to smell good as well. So if that's you, if that sounds like you fit that same description, then you might want to stay tuned, because I have something that I think you'll be interested in. So we're going to be talking about how you can make sure that your house and your car smells great as well. So if you want to hear some tips that I have and about some new products I want to tell you guys about, then you know the routine. Keep it locked right here. All right, guys, we're back. Thank you so much for keeping it locked in. Let's go ahead and jump right into this video. Now, guys, unless you've been living under a rock, then you have heard about Jose Zuniga from the channel Teaching Men's Fashion. Before I started my YouTube channel, definitely Jose's channel was one that I would make reference to oftentimes if I had any type of question about certain things that relates to men, of course, and fashion. So last year, Jose, along with his family, the rest of the Zuniga family, their company released 3 fragrances that hit the market back in April of last year through the company Santa Lucia. Santa Lucia. And there were 3 fragrances that came to market, and the concept behind these 3 fragrances were they wanted to make your decision of what to wear every day really, really easy. As a matter of fact, one of the fragrances that they released was called Every Day. Now, this fragrance was to be a fragrance, as the name indicates, that you would wear more on an everyday basis. More like, I guess you would say, a signature scent fragrance. Now, this one was clean, fresh, and easy to wear. It features notes of cardamom, violet leaves, and cedar wood. So again, think about your typical kind of mass appealing, easy to wear, everyday signature scent kind of fragrance, and that's what you got with that scent Every Day. Now, they also had one that was called Come Closer. That's right, and of course this was a beautiful date night scent, kind of cozy, warm, and inviting scent, just what you would expect for a fragrance that you would wear on a date night. Something that will make you and the person that you're on a date with want to get closer to you, and that was the concept behind that fragrance. That fragrance featured lavender, a Turkish rose note as well. So again, and sandalwood. And you guys know how much I love rose fragrances. So that one was definitely one that was created for those more intimate, close encounters. And again, that one was called Come Closer. And the last fragrance was called Too Conquering. And this was for the person that is ready to conquer the day. As the fragrance said, to conquering. You're on your way to conquer, whether it be a nice business meeting, very important business meeting. This fragrance is for the CEO. This is for the person that's making power moves. When you're in a situation where you're going to make some power moves, a big decision in your life, this is the fragrance that you would want to wear, because it kind of had that power behind this fragrance. It's a really, really spicy, clean, masculine fragrance. And actually, from what I could tell, and I'll explain that in a minute, I think all 3 of these fragrances sound like they're really, really, really good. Now, I haven't had a chance to get my hands on the actual fragrances yet, but what they did send me was 2 things 2 products that are still fragrance related, and these products are going to make your house as well as your car smell just as good as you smell. So with the 3 fragrances that I talked about, Santa Lucia, they sent me this box, and inside this box, gentlemen, is fragrances, the 3 fragrances that I just talked about, except for you can use these in your vehicle. So I'm extremely excited to check these out. As you can see, all 3 fragrances that I talked about come in this box. So one of these is To Conquer, one is Come Closer, and the other is Every Day. And basically what you do is they have this is what you use for your car. And there's a clip for it, so you put that on the vent. Of course, the vent clip in your vehicle, you put it there. You fill it with one of these fragrances, and again, they have all 3 of the different fragrances that they have to offer in their portfolio. And you just fill that up, stick it on the vent clip in your car, and you're good to go. And again, so if the fragrances themselves smell anything, of course, like what I have in these bottles that goes in the car, then I'm pretty sure the fragrances are going to smell really good as well. So I can't wait to get my hands on those. But you can put this in your car, fellas. And again, not only will you be smelling great, but your car be smelling great as well. And that's something that's very important to me. Now, in addition to that, I love for my house to smell good as well. So this is the Home diffuser right here. And this one is really, really easy to use. All you do is you pour the fragrance liquid into this container here, and then you stick this in here, and you just sit back and let the magic happen. Let it waft up, and have your house or wherever you want to put it in your house smelling amazing. I'm keeping it here in my office, and it has it here smelling like $1,000,000. So very, very great products, guys. If you want to try out anything I talked about today, I don't have a discount code or anything like that, but I do want to let you know that Santa Lucia is going to be having a Black Friday sale that's going on tomorrow, which is the 27th. So if you head over to their website tomorrow at 10 o'clock, you'll be able to pick up these fragrances. You'll be able to pick up any of the, of course, fragrances as well that I talked about for the car scents, for the car air vent fresheners. You'll be able to pick these up. And you also will be able to pick up the Home diffuser as well. So if you are interested in any of these products, head over to their site, which I'll link the website down below. So if you want to head over there tomorrow and check it out, this is going to be their biggest sale of the year. They're featuring all their products up to 70% off on certain things. And if you spend up to over $200, you'll get a free gift. I think they're going to send you the car fresheners. So if you spend over $200, you get that for free. As of right now, when I went to their website, none of their products were available, but it does say that they're going to be launching those tomorrow around 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. So if any of these things sound interesting to you, make sure you head over there and check them out. All right, guys, that's it. That's my time, man. I hope you enjoyed this video today. As always, I appreciate your time and your attention to these videos. Of course, you could have been anywhere else in the world, but you're right here with me, and I sincerely appreciate that. Now, don't forget to make sure you take a few moments to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you share these videos out to some folks that you think could use this information or find it entertaining, because I'm your guy, Darren, the Bowtie Fragrance Guy. I love to look good, and of course, I love to smell amazing. So until next time, guys, keep looking good, keep smelling even better. I'll catch you on the flip side. Peace.